Hello all of you, my name is Muksana Sahu of class 5 section C. Now I am showing you a presentation on communication. What is communication? Communication is the method through which we share information and personal talks. The idea of mass communication came with the invention of the printing machine. It enabled us to communicate with many people through books, newspapers, magazines, etc. The inventions of radio, television, cinema, and most importantly, internet were giant leaps in the field of communication. Let's know about some important forms of mass communication. Printing. Printing was invented in 1443 by Johannes Gutenberg in Germany. It continues to be one of the most popular means of communication. All the books, magazines, newspapers and letters are printed. They all are very important sources of information. Radio. The Indian scientist Jagdish Chandra Bose was the first person to show that the radio signals can travel long distances. Based on this theory, an Italian scientist Guglielmo Marconi invented the radio. Radio is one of the cheapest means of mass communication. All India Radio or air or Akashvani is the official radio broadcaster of India that was established in 1936. A variety of private radio FM channels in our country which broadcast various programs. Cinema. Cinema is a very important medium of mass communication. Almost all states in our country have a film industry which produces films that project social, cultural, educational, and entertainment values. Television. The first television was made in 1926 by John Logie Baird. It is one of the most popular means of mass communication. In India, the official broadcaster of television is Doordarshan. We have many private channels from all over the world. In what? In television. Many television channels broadcast news, educational, and entertainment programs. Entertainment. Internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks. Whenever we want any information about anything in the world, we can get it from the internet. So internet is also called information superhighway. Satellites. Satellites are electronic devices that are sent to space through rockets. They revolve around our planet. They receive and transmit signals. We can see live cricket or football match taking place in any part of the world through these satellites. Telephone and computer signals are also sent through these communication satellites. India's first artificial satellite was Aryabhatta. Thank you for giving me a chance and have a nice day.